I say happy Tuesday because it's not Wednesday yet. When Wednesday gets here, it's going to be hot. I mean, hot enough for a WFA weather alert, Greg.
Yeah, hot enough today. But yeah, tomorrow is the weather alert day for the first triple-digit day we're forecasting now for tomorrow. So a little early, a lot early, in fact, for these triple-digit temperatures. But that's where we're going to be for tomorrow. Now, again, it is going to be hot today. But yeah, tomorrow we're talking about that first 100-degree day possible. So stay hydrated, limit that time outside. Always check on the elderly as well and the pets. Keep them safe out there in the heat. So some serious heat coming our way. Record heat. We may even shatter that record high tomorrow by several degrees. For right now, it is sunny. It is warm. Taking you here to our downtown Dallas studios. Nothing but sunny skies out there for you late this morning as we get into the afternoon. Maybe a few high clouds drifting through, but it's kind of stuffy out there with those south winds. 17 miles per hour right now. 79 degrees at dew point up there at 63. So yes, it is going to be a very warm one out there late this morning. 81 already in Richardson, along with DeSoto and Lancaster. You're at 80 degrees. In Arlington as well. Heading over to Fort Worth, you're at 80. Springtown, 80 degrees, 77. Heading on out to Rome and Bridgeport, already up to 82. So a warm one out there late this morning. If you are getting out to walk the dog, use a little caution by 2 p.m. We're going to see those temperatures around then. Around 90 degrees, so that pavement will be a little bit hot out there. Just something to keep in mind. Maybe you're coming home from work for lunch to let the dog out for a little while. Should be okay around noon, lunchtime, heading toward the early afternoon. But it does start to heat up a little bit later on today as we will see those highs somewhere in the low and mid 90s here this afternoon. We'll have some upper 90s, I think, for the west. That record high, it's going to be in jeopardy today. 95, the record high as it stands now. Out at DFW, set that back in 1956. So we'll see how close we get to that a little bit later today. A few high thin clouds will move in from the west today. Not enough to filter that sunshine, though. Those temperatures will be quite warm all around the region as we go through the day today. Those temperatures in the upper 90s, a little farther west, heading farther south. It's going to feel more like summer, more like July for us over the next couple of days, next several days, in fact, here across North Texas. So that summer-like heat will be building in as high pressure settles in across the area here as we head into tomorrow, and that will likely be the hottest day for us as we get into tomorrow. Now for today, heading down to Austin, San Antonio, we're looking at triple-digit heat there, heading out towards San Angelo, Abilene as well. Those upper 90s out across the Panhandle and out over the Architect region, close to 90 degrees. So we're going to keep it around 94 to 95. Maybe out at DFW today, but it is going to be quite hot. There are the heat advisories that we do have in effect heading down toward Austin and San Antonio for today. So no heat alerts for us yet. That could change as well in the days to come as we are looking at tomorrow. 100 degrees, weather alert day, as we just talked about. And see that record high? So we may break that by several degrees tomorrow. That record high is still 95 tomorrow, back in 1955. A little less hot as we get into Thursday, but then by Friday, going into Saturday, we're going to be right back into the low and mid 90s. So yes, more summer-like temperatures coming our way, well above normal as we wrap up the week. Now there will be a front work its way in late Thursday going into Friday. Those winds will become a little more northerly. So you saw it will be a little bit cooler or less hot, we'll call it, there on Thursday with those north winds. But that front will retreat, keeping us on the warmer side of things. Maybe a few showers on Friday, but then a little bit better chance we'll have at least some scattered showers and thunderstorms for the end of the week. We'll go with about a 30% coverage heading into the upcoming weekend. So just something to keep in mind. We could be looking at some stronger storms during that time as well. So we'll be updating you on that. Until then, though, we're going to be sweating it out the rest of this week, and not much is going to change even over the second half of the 14-day forecast. We're going to keep it on the warm side. A slight dip in those temperatures early next week into the upper 80s, but then those low, maybe some mid 90s are right back late next week. We'll have more midday after this.